Hello, Fort Bend Children's Discovery Center. We are out at our eco station at Children's Museum Houston, and if you haven't had a chance to make it out here, this video is going to cover some of the stuff we teach on site, in and outside of our eco station. So whether we're talking about our bullfrog, our Texas rat snake, outdoor at the pond, or we're just doing a nature activity inside the eco station, this video will show you some of the stuff you can do and follow along at home.
Hey everybody, this is Jason, the Science Outreach Manager here at the Children's Museum Houston, and today I'm in Eco Station to teach you a little bit about camouflage, and in particular butterfly camouflage. And why butterfly camouflage? Because it is March of 2022 right now, and we will start to see the monarch butterflies start to fly from the south in Mexico back to the north, up by Connecticut and Canada and all up there. So, because butterflies will be seen a lot soon, I want to show you how they camouflage. But first, let's talk about what camouflage is. In a very general definition, camouflage is the ability to blend into one's environment or surroundings. So, some insects, like stick insects, they blend in because they look like the bark of a tree. Some other animals, like chameleons, they can actually sort of shift their color to camouflage into multiple environments. And then some animals, they kind of will have stripes or patterns and the color that looks like their environment. You can think of like wildebeests in Africa. They'll look like the surrounding environment so that they're well hidden or hidden enough to not always get hunted by their predators. Now butterflies, on the other hand, they have really beautiful patterns. I'm sure you've seen lots of butterflies in your life. They're really beautiful, different patterns, different colors, hundreds and hundreds of different species of butterflies. Monarchs will be the one you see in particular coming up right now. They are black and orange, and they have little spots on them, little tints of yellow and whatnot. And they don't particularly camouflage well here in Texas, but they camouflage well in Mexico because they'll gather together in the trees and they'll look like the leaves of trees because so many of them are gathered together. But as you look at monarch butterflies, you'll notice other butterflies that do blend into their environments pretty well. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do a little butterfly camouflage activity that's really fun. So basically you want to draw yourself like a little butterfly and then cut it out, and then you can find different patterns in different ways. You can use like maybe cloth if you want. I actually made some of these papers here that look like different patterns. Like these look like different animal patterns, and this looks like maybe a flower pattern. And really all you want to do is you want to go ahead and cut the butterfly template out, take some taper glue and put it onto a particular pattern, and then use colored pencils, markers, or crayons to sort of blend the butterfly into the pattern. Now look at the one I'm doing here. You can see I've already started it, and I'm kind of doing this yellowish white pattern and brown pattern, but I'm not just coloring it brown, I'm actually coloring it into the sort of pattern that this animal would have, so it would blend in. So you won't see just brown, which I could have easily done and then completely hidden it. I did the pattern so in case it needs to move to blend in more, it'll do so. And really all I have to do is finish up this part right here. This little white part is kind of striking. I'll just go ahead and color that in. And then you have yourself a pretty well hidden butterfly. Now, understand this. Animals that camouflage, we can often see them, humans, in their camouflage. Other animals may not have as good of eyesight as we do and sometimes can't see them. But you can see a chameleon often, human, inside of its sort of camouflaged environment. That's because we have really well developed eyes, but other animals cannot. So that's the point. Like we may be able to see the pattern a little bit more, but trust me, like a dog or cat or some other predator would not be able to see this very much at all. Okay, so if you enjoy making butterfly camouflage patterns, please hit our subscribe button on this YouTube channel so you can get more videos. I'm hoping you're having a really good day, and I'm hoping to see you soon at the museum. Until then, bye for now.